Yamunotri glacier. In the Chamoli district, there is an, I said that, Satopant and Bhagirathi Khara glacier. Understood? Satopant and Bhagirathi Khara. Understood? You have to speak with me. A and B meet at D became G. What I said that? A and B meet at D became G. So, from here, which river originated? Alaknanda. And here it is, I said that which river originated? Bhagirathi. So, A and B, Alaknanda and Bhagirathi meet at D, Devaprayag, and thereafter its name become Ganga, become G. A and B meet at D became G. Understood? Alaknanda, Bhagirathi, Alaknanda, Bhagirathi get together at Devaprayag and then become what? Ganga. Alaknanda and Bhagirathi get together at Devaprayag and became what? Tell me. Ganga. Completely okay in your mind? Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. Clear? So one Devaprayag is what? One Prayag is what? Devaprayag. Prayag means two Piyush rivers are meeting together. Not any other two rivers are meeting. Understood? Means Pavitra, when the two Piyush rivers are meeting together at a point, it is known as Prayag. Like you would say Allahabad Prayag, Ganga and Yamuna river is meeting. Yes? So I said that Devaprayag. A part of it, we have, which are the dams on Bhagirathi? I said that Teri Dam. And here it is what? So we are going to see, this is the one Prayag we have seen. First Prayag we are going to see, it is in a Vishnu Prayag. नाम ही में उसमें छुपा हुआ था, आपने ध्यान से दिया नहीं. Which Prayag I said that? Vishnu Prayag. Second, anybody is from Uttarakhand? Which are the Prayags? Yes? Nand Prayag. Another? Very good. Karn Prayag. किसने कहा रुद्र? I said that. Fourth one is so first Prayag is, I said that Vishnu Prayag. Then I said Nand Prayag, Karna Prayag, Rudra Prayag, and then fifth one I am saying that it is, yes, Dev Prayag. Get it? Listen me. So, which river is meeting with Alaknanda, which is making Vishnu Prayag? Vishnu Prayag, सब में Alaknanda is sure. Everywhere Alaknanda. Yes. Vishnu ji, who is caretaker of your life? Three gods are there. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. What the Brahma does? Creator. And then Vishnu. और बीच में कौन रह गया? विष्णु. सॉरी, शिव क्या करते हैं? डिस्ट्रॉयर. और बीच में केयर टेकर, ब्रॉट अप, सारे लाइफ के प्रॉब्लम्स, खुशियां, एवरीथिंग. तो ढोल कौन बजाता है लाइफ में? सो ढोल रिवर. विच रिवर? धौली गंगा river, and it is making which? Vishnu Prayag. Understood? Alaknanda and Dhauli Ganga making which Prayag? और यहीं पर which dam is there? Vishnu Prayag dam. Understood? Vishnu Prayag dam. Another I said that Nand Prayag. Alaknanda and Nandakani. Alaknanda and which? So here the river which is meeting, you can easily remember. Nandakini. Understood? Do you know what is Pindaris? Pindaris are what? Yes? Huh? Tribals. These are the debris of Pindaris are what? Debris of decline of Mughals. Debris of decline of Mughals. जब decline हुआ तो several here the Marathas. So Mughal में से क्या निकल कर वहां से आया? There is an I said that on the west Jats are also in the part of army. Afghans, yes. Then I talked about Hindus, Muslims, Marathas. These are known as debris of what? Understood? And they believe in skirmished and mercenaries. Skirmish means they used to do short war. लड़ते थे भाग जाओ. And mercenaries पैसे लेकर लड़ते थे. The Marathas used to what? Give money. Yes or not? तो जो मनी दे देगा वो उनके साथ हो जाएंगे. तो पिंडारीज किसी के नहीं थे. इन महाभारत I'll take this some name जो किसी का नहीं रहा. He is not belongs to anyone. Huh? Not neither Kaurva nor. So Pindar Ganga river, which river? Pindar Ganga river is making which prayer? Karn Prayag. Pindar Ganga. Understood? Clear? And then I said that और लाइफ में क्यों फाइट होता है? What is the reason behind fight? Property. And then girls के पीछे जर जरूर जमीन बोलते हैं लोग. Yes. Or especially if a girl is coming from heaven and the famous heaven is what? Mandakini. Famous heaven is, and this is coming from here. And then everybody start fighting, Rudra हो जाता है. So which river I said that? Mandakini. Understood? And Mandakini is making which prayer? Rudra Prayag. And Dev Prayag you already know, Alaknanda plus Bhagirathi. In all the Dev Prayag, all fives are common. Understood? So I said that which are the Prayags we have been able to see? Alaknanda and Dhol. It is I said that Vishnu Prayag. And Alaknanda and Nandakini, Nanda Prayag, and Alaknanda and Pindar Ganga, Karn Prayag, and then I said that which one? Mandakini and all Rudra Prayag. Understood it? Completely okay in your mind? Yes. So these are the 5 Prayags we have been able to see in Uttarakhand. Understood? And so we can be able to see, like I said, so there is what I said, there is a Khat, and there is which one? Gangotri glacier and Khatling glacier. There is a Bhagirathi, Bhil Ganga, and there is a Satopanth, and which one is this? I said Bhagirathi Kharak and Alaknanda river. And from here, which Dholi Ganga river, Nandakini, Pindar Ganga, and all are in Chamudi. समझ में आ रहा है? Why Badrinath? So lots of rainfall in the Chamudi district. And then which one? Mandakini. When the Mandakini river, if I am talking about, there is a Charbatiya glacier. Which glacier? Suppose you have made a dam of cement. आपने किसका डैम बनाया? Cemented dam. Water will be stored, large amount. And if the dam has been broken, can it, the water will flow like anything? Yes. Similar thing, when you will do glacier landform in the geomorphology, I will tell you one concept, moraine dammed lake. Which lake I said that? Which lake I said? Suppose, what is the height of a glacier? What is the height of a glacier? Glacier का height कितना होता होगा around? More than? Who has said? 6,000 what? मीटर वो तो बहुत हो गया. मैंने बोला उसकी हाइट कितनी होती है जमीन से? हाँ? 500, 400, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer like this. लेकिन आप ये फिर ग्रीनलैंड जाओगे अंटार्कटिका में, there will be higher. But in the what is the 500 meter? And what is the height of this building? General height which has said by the Delhi municipality 16 meter. Understood? And suppose glacier is moving 500 meter. So glacier is like a river of ice. Ice means rock. Ice is like a rock. When it moves, then it will bring so many particles it will break. And these particles, lastly, जब river glacier stops, these particles get accumulated, and the glacier started melting. So these particles accumulated, they will stop this flow of water after melting it, and it will become a what? Or it looks like in a mountains. These moraines, जो particles deposit किया है, इसको बोलते हैं moraines. It looks like in a mountain. आप लोग देखोगे तो बोलोगे mountain है, but it is actually not a mountain. It is in a particles deposition with high, large and height, large and highly height. और इसके पीछे पानी रुक गया. So this is known as the moraine dammed lake. So now tell me, cemented dam is stronger or a moraine made dam is stronger? Cemented dam is stronger. When suppose the rainfall has been taken place in the large amount, then what will happen? This moraine dam, that is the particles are together, and under the pressure they can break and it will fall down. So several moraine dammed lake has been also broken in 2013, which caused devastation in the Uttarakhand. So write down. In Uttarakhand, cloudburst and heavy rainfall in 2013. In Uttarakhand, cloudburst and heavy rainfall causes pressure on moraine dammed lake, and these moraine dammed lake broken and it led to heavy floody condition down the mountain. It has been found that near Charbatia Glacier, in Rudraprayag, one large moraine dammed lake exists. And it has been broken. And Mandakini River did greatest disaster down the valley. Understood? समझ में आ गया? What is the meaning of moraine dam? And ध्यान में रखिएगा, it is one of the disaster thing in the mountainous region. कभी भी वो हाई प्रेशर पानी ज्यादा हो गया, रेनफॉल, वो टूटेगा ही टूटेगा. यू कांट स्टॉप. नेचर हैज मेड this kind of lake. You have not made it. So it is under the nature. Understood? So it is also one of the cause that I have said, and then you can think like kitna zyada devastation hua hoga. So the whole Ganga river, and then it is in itself so two factors are there, major two factors of what is in a flood in 2013. It is a natural factor as well as anthropogenic factor. Both the factors have played very great role. So आपको याद हो चुका होगा विष्णु प्रयाग, नंद प्रयाग, there is a Karna प्रयाग, and Mandakini is coming from this Rudra प्रयाग, and then Bhagirathi and Alaknanda get together become, and from here which river is coming? From here Yamunotri glacier. Understood? This is the way we have been able to see which river I said that? Ganga, and its some origination in the Uttarakhand. I said that this is in a which dam? Tehri Dam on Bhagirathi river, or you can say Ganga river, and Vishnu Prayag Dam. Able to locate in your mind? And this is, I said that Kala Pani glacier. Which glacier I said that? And is at the border of which two countries? India and Nepal. And in which year there is a fight between China and India? Huh? Yes. And that year, और अभी तक लगभग 55 साल हो गए नहीं, अभी भी हमें वो याद दिलाता है. We have to face the consequences. Okay? आपको दिखाना है कि क्या consequences है.